guys, it's me Prapti and I hope you all have already subscribed to my channel. If not, wait क्यों कर रहे हो यार, subscribe कर दो. So today I am going to make my vision diary. Yeah, not a vision board but a vision diary because I like to do different stuff. Okay, it's nothing like that. Like I had made a vision board last year but it didn't work because things were like too stuffed in one cardboard. So I just thought that now I can make it in a more better way, and for that I'm making it in this. This is a cute little diary that I bought yesterday. So this is something new. Like I am a diary fan, so I just love diaries, and for that reason I thought instead of making a vision board I would make a vision diary, which would help me more better way to just segregate things in a proper way instead of just dumping them in one cardboard. So let's just get started. So the very first thing would be printing out stuff that I have already done, and these are the ones. Second, yeah. Okay, my bad. So the first one, cute, very aesthetic stuff, if y'all can see me. Then by the way, I've just got all of these from Pinterest, so y'all can do, and y'all can also make a vision diary with me. Let's just make it together. So this one. So the very first thing that I'm going to do in my vision diary is I'm going to put this evil eye on the very first page of it to just secure. I don't want any evil eyes on me. Nazar se bachi raho over here on this page. And after that I would write some affirmations which I have also got from Pinterest. Yeah, I'm a Pinterest girly. So I'll just stick the picture, and also I would just get done with cutting all of these and I will be back. Till then, if you all are also making it with me, you all can also do that. So guys, after lots and lots of efforts, I've finally cutted all the pictures. Which are literally so many, and it took me like more than half an hour to cut all of these. Very cute little pictures. They're so cute and aesthetic too. So now it's time to stick and write few things in my diary. So as I told y'all, on the first page I'm going to stick the evil eye because it is necessary. Wait, where the picture is? Yeah, evil eye, where? In the center. And I hope y'all are also doing it with me. So I'll be back after sticking it. So I'm done sticking it, and this is how it looks, the first page of it. Quite okay. Now I would just decorate it if I want to. Yeah, I do want. Yeah. So I would just first tell some benefits of making a vision diary instead of vision board. So vision board is like we dump all the stuff on a cardboard. So it's a bit hard to sacrifice. What? Okay. It's hard to just segregate stuff and to just be able to understand it. And when we write it in diary, it's more better, so that we can also write as well as while sticking pictures. We can write, like for example, where these are like my skincare pics that I want. Like I want to have a great skin for 2025 and do lots of skincare and healthcare. So I can stick the pic, and as well as I can write few points about it. So it would help me in a more better way. So for that, vision diary. So after sticking the first paper, okay, whatever. Now I would go to this page, and over here from here, I have decided I would stick pictures over here and write few notes about it and decorate it. That's how it should be. Before sticking anything, I'm just going to write some affirmations as I told. So these are the ones. If you all can read it, you all cannot, but still I want to show. I got all of these from Pinterest, and you all can like go according to your aesthetic. I think this all would just inspire me a lot. So affirmations should be on the first page. The last one, focus on good things. Done. So I would just write them and be back. So guys, here I'm just starting writing all this stuff. Before starting, I just thought of setting a great vibe. So I'll be back after writing all the stuff. So guys, I just changed the background because I had to write all the stuff, so I just changed my place and I decorated it with the cute little stars and also wrote my affirmations. So many stuff. 2 pages. So I would stick something over here and also over here to just inspire me a bit more. So guys, I have just been done with my first goal, like sticking it. So from the starting, the evil eye, the affirmations again, and my first goal. Hope you all can see it properly. Is to complete 1000 subscribers, then 100k subscribers, gain more subscribers, views, and motivation. I can do it. I am the best. But I can only do it with your help if you all subscribe and tell your friends also to subscribe my channel. So yeah, after this I would go with my fitness stuff, and after doing that, actually now when I would complete everything, then I would be back showing the entire diary. So y'all can also do it with me. So here we go guys, I'm finally done with my vision diary. So let me show it to y'all. The very first page, I know y'all have already seen it, but second, third, from here, fourth, it looks so aesthetic, I know it. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, this page got stuck. Ninth, 10th, and the last one. And I'm done with it, and yeah, I've also made this kind of box on every page. So the next year, yeah, like and then 25th December, I would see, like I would take that time that what all I have achieved, and let's see what all I could do after making a vision diary. So that's it for today guys. I hope you all liked the video and it was useful, and if it was, then do make a vision diary, and bye for today. Do subscribe.